There we go.
Better?
Much better. I had to get a variant ND filter. It was getting a little.
You lost me at whatever you just said.
Really?
That's hard. Like, it's like, you're like, oh, this is not hard. Like, speed it up. Oh, that's a good workout, because you gotta be like... So I bet you guys thought I was the star of the show. The real star of the show. My little man. My little man, Pancho. Oh, hello.
This is the main man. This is the main man.
This is our heart and soul right here. Love on four legs, right? Right, my little man? We're walking underneath our bird feeder.
Okay.
The humidity. All right.
Talk to me.
All right, so right now we are standing on the west side of our house. The birds really seem to love it. In our area here, we're in a bird sanctuary, so you have blue jays and mockingbirds and cardinals and just all kinds of birds that you can hear in the background. And they really love to come here, so we placed it here so that we can have a really good view of them when we're just kind of hanging out in this area that is screened off, so no mosquitoes. And that's it. The frangipani. So actually we have a few frangipani or plumeria in our yard, most of which have been gifted to us, or we found some creative way to get a hold of them. So one of them is this one that I'm going to show you now. So this one has these really pretty white, pink, and yellow flowers that smell really nice. One of our neighbors had dug it out of his yard. He was getting rid of it, and he said, whoever wants it, come and grab it. And we did exactly that. We basically put a 7-foot tall tree inside our SUV and brought it over here. It was living in a pot for quite a while, and it wouldn't flower. Earlier this year, we took it out of the pot, just kind of found a spot for it that got enough sun, and this year it's given us some flowers. So I think it's happier, certainly happier where it is. Another one that we have in the yard is just over here, and I'm not going to go through all of them because it gets less interesting. But this one we actually got in Hawaii. This one is a red frangipani. So it's grown. When we got it, it was probably like maybe 12 inches tall. When we came back, I misplaced it. I know I didn't remember where I had put it. And then I found it months later, and I was just like, this is probably not going to grow. I don't think it's viable anymore. But anyway, I stuck it in the ground, actually in a pot, and it continued to grow. So well, it looks like we might actually have flowers from this. That would be awesome because we haven't had any flowers from here. But this would be red, and I don't see red very often here in Miami. I always see white. I always see ones that look like this one. And on occasion you'll see, pinks and yellows, but you don't really see red that often. So I'm kind of excited to see what these are going to look like. We have some white ones that are currently blooming as well, which I think are pretty common. I think that we have 3, 4, 5 in total. What's really nice about these plants though is when the tree is grown and you have a branch that maybe it falls off or you just want to propagate it, all you have to do is take the branch off and then let it dry. And after it's dried, you can put it in powder, which I forgot the name of the powder, and stick it in the ground and it will grow. So you'll get a new tree, which is basically how we have most of these. The one that I'm going to show you now was gifted by one of my coworkers. So it's this one. It has really pretty white and yellow flowers. So here's the other one. And these smell lovely as well. This is grown probably like 3 feet. I think when we got this, it was just like a little branch that had 2 little prongs, and now it is kind of waist height. Where technically the waist is. But yeah, it grows pretty quickly. It loves sun. Sunshine. This is the flower that Hawaiians used to make the lei. And they also use this to make perfume. So it's a really nice smell. The end. And that's that. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, click the like button down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. Thanks. Thanks for watching.